In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Tableau Desktop for free. Tableau is a powerful tool for data visualization that helps you see and understand your data like never before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to access and start using Tableau Desktop Public Edition, all without spending a dime. Let's dive in. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to Tableau Public. You can get there simply by typing public.tableau.com into your address bar. Tableau Public is a free service that lets you create and share interactive visualizations online, crucial for anyone who wants to analyze data effectively without breaking the bank. Once you're on the Tableau Public homepage, the next step is to sign up for a free account if you don't already have one. Look for the Sign Up button on the web page and give it a click. This is obviously an essential step because having an account is necessary to download the Tableau Desktop Public Edition. When prompted, fill in your registration details. You'll need to provide some basic information, like your name and email address. After entering your information, click on Create My Account. It's a straightforward process, and within moments you'll have access. With your account set up, the next step is to proceed to the Create section on the website. You'll find a drop-down option here. Click on it, and within the menu, you should see the option to download the Tableau Desktop Public Edition. Selecting this option will redirect you to the download page. Sometimes you might be asked to fill in some registration details again before proceeding with the download. Now you're ready to download the app. Look for the Download the App button and give it a click. You'll need to select your operating system at this point, whether you're using a Mac or Windows computer. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder and open it to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation of Tableau Desktop on your computer. After installing, launch the program and start exploring. Tableau Desktop Public Edition is equipped with a range of features that will allow you to create stunning, interactive visualizations of your data. Spend some time familiarizing yourself with the tools available, and soon you'll be creating professional-grade visualizations with ease. That wraps up our tutorial on how to get Tableau Desktop for free. I hope you find this journey into data visualization both rewarding and enlightening. Don't forget to share this video with others who might benefit from it, and feel free to reach out with any questions or comments you may have. Happy visualizing!